Today's May the 4th, 2018. Like I said in the last video, I finally got this laid out, got the garden in pretty good shape, ready to make the rows up. Got to plant some tomatoes that I showed you in the last video. I'm going to take this tractor right here and try to lay me off some rows and get them ready to plant. So come on along with me, see if I can't bring you with us. I got the rows laid off. All we're going to do is drop these about every 3 to 4 foot. I'm going to spread them out a little bit this year. Plenty of room. Only got 100 plants. So I'm going to drop them out here. It's supposed to start raining like 1 tomorrow. That rain like crazy. I'm not putting no water down, no fertilizer, no nothing, because I don't have time to do it. I can go back and put the fertilizer. And I won't burn them up if I don't put nothing down when I first plant them. Roots will have time to take off, get going good, then I'll sock some fertilizer to them. Right now I'm just going to stick them in the ground. So let's do it. Two rows. They laid in there now. They're planted. With that rain coming in, it should be cloudy, you know. Maybe the sun won't be bearing down on them until tomorrow. It's not supposed to rain be here until midday. I've had them sitting out for 3 days in the wind and rain, throwing the water to them. So they should be pretty tough too. So I hope the rain comes. We'll see how it goes. Appreciate you watching the video. Appreciate it a lot. Give us a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not. Until we meet again, have a good day. Get out of the tomatoes, Scooby. What are you doing? You trying to kill them? There ain't no oatmeal cookies in there. It's just tomato plants. All right, Scooby.